In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Speechify promo code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a web browser, head on over to Google. Now in the Google search box, type in Speechify promo code. Then you enter and you'll be taken to Google search results. Now if we scroll down, we'll see a few different sites, third-party sites offering Speechify discount codes. So we got couponsguru.com, don'tpayfull.com. Keep scrolling down to get a few different sites we can check out, but one I like to use is called don'tpayfull.com. So as it states, 50% off Speechify discount codes. And now once we're in the site, we can check out all the different promo codes. So if I want to activate this one here, 50% off premium plan, I'll just go ahead and click onto it and then copy this code here and paste this at the checkout section of Speechify to enjoy 50% off your premium plan. These codes do change daily, weekly, monthly, so if you're watching this at a later date, these might be different to what you're seeing and they do expire. So if you got one that expires, just move on to the next one.